I don't know if you can see it, but there is like a brown splodge mark there. And that used to be all over my hand. About a month ago, I went to the doctor's because I realized I was getting a rash all over my arm. And I went to the pharmacist, they didn't know what was going on. I went to my friend who's a doctor, she didn't know what was going on. The thing is, it wasn't raised, it was just under the skin, which is a really bizarre rash. But anyway, so I went to the doctor's, finally got a blood test, and they basically told me I'm low in iron and I'm low in B12. I just got a text message. Election day today. Vote before 6 p.m. Commission of Queensland. I guess I gotta go vote. It looks pretty gloomy out. It's spitting a little bit, so not sure if I want to walk, but I also don't want to take the car. Anyway, let's go. I don't think they'll let me take this camera to vote, so you're coming with me. They do things a little bit differently here in Australia. So you're actually obligated to vote at every voting situation. If you don't vote, it's a $20 fine or whatever the amount is for that specific voting situation. This one. I think that's good. I'm going to a friend's house later and you just can't show up empty-handed, so hence the chocolates. He already also asked me to buy him some lunch. Lunch! Okay, anyway, I voted, so at least that's tick. So, back to my health news. So I did get the rash on my hand and it's been pretty much a month. I'm taking the pills every day and taking this spray thing every day. And it's pretty much gone. So I'm pretty happy about that. I also take this every single day. And this is pretty much a kombucha elderberry tonic thing from the kombucha stand in the market that's supposed to be really good for your health, and it's really good for iron deficiency apparently. Anyway, I'm running late to my friends to help me with the project, so I've got to get going. So it's like, I don't know, 6:30. I'm gonna go to bed in a minute, and Ferdy is just testing that the motorcycle, well, what was it? No, it's a bike. It's a bike mount for the GoPro. It's because he is going to a meetup tonight. It's 6:30. I'm going to bed.